Hi, I'm Tim Gartman. I live here in Akron, Ohio with my wife, 2 kids, and a dog. I'm an avid runner, cyclist, self-avowed Lego nerd, and I've been a part of Hyland now for about 12 and a half years. I started out in tech support, moved on to education services as a technical trainer, and for the past 4 or 5 years, I've been a solution engineer in our information systems or IS department. As a solution engineer, I get to spend my days solving problems with technology, which is something I love. I get to see the impact directly of how my work in the solutions that I build help my colleagues to be more effective in their jobs and really have an easier time of it. And that's exciting for me. My team also gets to collaborate with a wide variety of people at Hyland. So not only do I get to see how a lot of the business operates, but I also get to meet a lot of really great Highlanders. Lately, I've been doing a lot of work with Microsoft Power Platform. I recently built a solution for our customer experience team, helping them handle all of the feedback that comes in from various sources like Net Promoter surveys and customer feedback forms on our community website. That solution took a lot of their manual processes and manual data entry and streamlined it and automated so much of it so that they can focus on what's really important there, which is responding to the feedback that our customers give us. I've also been able to work recently in our on-base solution, helping our HR team revamp their HR assistance request solution so that process is easier and we can connect employees to members of HR to get the answers and help that they need when they need it. Overall, my role has been so crucial in helping Hyland grow and meet its goals because I work to build solutions that make that whole process easier. And it's been so fulfilling to see concretely the impact that my efforts have. Hyland has helped me grow both personally and professionally. I've never wanted for the ability to access training and get work experiences that help me grow my skill set and expand my boundaries. I have an excellent work-life balance. I'm able to work from home and be the father that I need to be and maintain a healthy lifestyle that really works for me, my family, and for Hyland as well. And it's a wonderful experience.